have unboxing when I come home.
Wow.
So friends, I've got this gift from my dad, a wall, because I won my golf competition. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What are you going to do today?
I'm going to unbox this. As I said in the first video when I was buying this. So friend, as you can see this, in a video game Fortnite we use this gun. Okay, so my father has gone to get screwdriver. Okay, so let me see the instructions. Important battery information. Cautious. Guys, see these are the bullets. So many of them. Wow.
And this is the place.
Yeah. Well,
Keep the battery.
yeah. This is the electric gun.
Blaster.
Blaster. Oh! What did it do?
Let's plug in the batteries.
Yeah. What? You don't plug in the batteries.
Put in the batteries.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Wow, how do we do that? Oh, like that. There are so many bullets. Just see them on the top. There are 3
Now the
stacks.
battery is in.
Yeah.
What next to do?
Oh yeah. First, you have to take this out first. But how do we take this out now? Hey.
Clip release. So you
Ha.
press the clip release.
Where?
This is the clip release.
Where is the clip release? Okay. Okay. How many? Should we put all the bullets?
Right now.
Yeah. No, don't spill them. Don't spill them. Wait.
Come on.
Yeah.
Now the next is.
No! I'll do it.
Let's now.
No, please. Oh, let me fire first. Over there, on the wall. No, on the sofa, please. On the sofa.
How do we do that?
Yeah.
Right out.
Wow. Wow. See how? Yeah. We have to press
There's
this.
an acceleration button.
So you have to press this also. And press it
So we need to press the acceleration button
Yeah.
and the shooter.
Oh, Papa! Wait! Ah! Whoa!
God, this is an awesome thing.
Hey!
Come on,
Hey, where are all the bullets?
we'll find it out. Come.
Guys!
This is amazing.
Yeah, but where are the bullets?
The bullets are all lost. Yay. So,
Bye bye. Have a great.
want to buy this? Click on the link.
Yeah.